Hey kiddos, this video I'm going to show you how to make banana nut bread. Hello y'all, so to get started on making this delicious, wonderful banana bread, we're going to start off with our ingredients and all the measurements will be at the bottom. So we got 3 nice ripened bananas, some sugar, flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, walnuts optional, a half a cup of shortening, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, and of course you're gonna have a container which you want your banana bread in. You can definitely do it in cupcake liners or muffin liners, a brownie pan, whatever your heart desires. It's your world, honey. So let's get started. Also preheat your oven to 350. So what I'm gonna do first, we're gonna mash these bananas, and the riper the banana is, the better. These aren't that ripe as I want them to be, but they're still gonna be good. So let's get these all mashed up and pretty. You can definitely use a fork, you can use a whisk, you can use a beater, which I may turn to. So let's get these all nice and mashed. Alright, so we got our mashed potatoes nice and mashed. I did end up using my mixer just to make it easier. So now what we're going to do, kiddos, is we're going to mix our wet ingredients together first. That's the first foremost thing. And our wet ingredients is going to include our bananas. So we're going to go ahead and dump this in there. And I already got a cup of sugar up in there. I filmed it with one hand. Our bananas. We're gonna do our buttermilk. It's key ingredient. If you don't have buttermilk, I'm pretty sure there's an alternative. I believe you can mix like some lemon juice and I want to say lemon juice and milk. Then we're gonna add our shortening. I know it looks a lot, but trust me, it's all gonna work out together. And then we're gonna do our egg. I suck at cracking eggs. Oh, we got it. Did I get an eggshell in there? Yep, but that's okay. So we're gonna whip this bad boy up and I'll show you what it looks like. Also guys, I added just a touch of vanilla. Now with this recipe, you can definitely do it how you like. I bet you a little dash of almond extract would be good in this. Maybe a little chocolate extract. So you're probably wondering, Miss Allie, why does it look so clumpy like that? It's just shortening. The shortening is still kind of cold and cool, so it's not going to solidify at this point, but it will when it gets in the oven. It's going to make your banana bread so nice and moist, or the muffins are just going to be so delicious. So now what we're going to do, guys, we're going to carefully add in our dry ingredients, which includes the flour, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. And we're going to gently toss that in. And then on the lowest speed, either you can whisk it, which I may think I'm going to do just because I don't want to rough it up a bit, because you want to be careful when you're using a standing mixer, because you don't want to overwork your dough. So what we're going to do is just going to gently combine our ingredients. And be careful, guys. But it's okay. It's all about, we're part of baking. You're going to get a little messy. And that's okay. Because what we're going to do, we're going to clean as we go. I always keep a red rag with me right by my side when I'm baking, guys, because you want to clean as you go. So let's keep whisking this in. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's done and combined. And at this point, you can keep it like this and put it in your pan. Or what I'm going to do, I'm going to add in a little bit of toasted walnuts. Yum. This is not a necessity, guys. You can also add in chocolate chips, other kind of nuts, whatever your heart's desire is your banana bread, okay? All right, next step is putting them in your containers. If you're gonna use a cupcake liner or a muffin tin, fill it up 3.5, like 3 4 ways full. Same way with the loaf pan. This recipe will easily do about 6 muffins and maybe a dozen or so cupcakes in 2 good sized loaf pans. And since I added walnuts inside of it, I'm just gonna top my loaf with a nice cute little line of walnuts. And again, guys, you don't have to use nuts because I know some of you kiddos are allergic, and that's okay. You can top it off with some chocolate chips. You can do white chocolate chips. Oh, I bet you toffee pieces would be really good with this recipe. It's all in what you want to do, guys. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. Make sure you have your timer ready and don't forget. All right, everyone. Look at our banana nut bread. See the golden edges? How the walnuts got all nice and toasty, nice and moist. Delicious. Thank you, kiddos, for watching this video. I hope you learned some stuff about baking, and I hope you had a good time watching. Please let me know if you make this banana bread and how it tastes. Take care, and always, always bake with your parents' permission.